Hi, my name is Nick. I'm from Bulgaria. My hobby is modeling. For it, I needed an airbrush. So, from 5 years, I use this big compressor set with single action airbrush. But it is not very well suited for painting tiny details. But now I found this portable set with double action airbrush, which is actually better suited for painting very tiny details. It's very comfortable to use, very maneuverable. Actually, it's cheaper than the big set and performs better. I ordered it with only one click, and the next day the order was shipped to me. When I received the package, there was no fees and no additional taxes, just the local delivery service just give to me. They come to my door and I received the package. I'm very happy with it, this airbrush, because it suits very well for my work. It gives better results and very easy to use. Actually, it's custom made. The quality is very good. It's have very good customer support. The staff is very kind and asks all questions I have. It helps me very much. Actually, the other good thing is that I can order every needed spare parts or additional details for this airbrush. So I'm very happy with it, and I recommend this airbrush to any modeler, and I'm sure you will be very happy with this set.